Yo, what's good? It's like bedtime o'clock for me right now. I've been out socializing this weekend, so it's my brain is a bit soup. But that's fine. We don't need fully functioning frontal lobes. Those are overrated anyway. I'm just gonna be following this tutorial by this person on this forum because it's pretty word jumble. It is pretty word jumble, and I think a visual thing would be useful for some people. So I'm gonna be doing my best to, just follow this and then do it. Yeah, do it for you. Do it for you. So I believe I want to be adding a window first. So you probably already know this, but let's add a new window. New window. It's gonna be which one is it? Which one is it? Oh, it's this one. It's that one. This is my OC. Completely original character. No inspiration. No inspiration at all. Completely original character right here. Completely original. We're gonna make it see-through because that's a thing, isn't it? We're gonna make it see-through. Chroma key. Chroma key. Chroma key. Yes. And there we go. Green. Perf. Absolute perf. Is this gonna be whoop? Oh yeah, let's do a green over. Yeah, nice. Okay. That's perfect. That's perfect. We could put you right here. We want to be testing out the spin as well. I think you go into transform. You go into transform. Where's that transform? There it is. You're gonna go into transform and edit it. You want to make sure that the is in the center. This thing, positional alignment, you want that in the center. That's where that's got to be. So just keep, because that's where the spin happens. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. That's gonna be beautiful. You want to put it in a place that you know you can spin it. So like here, that's a pretty good place, because you can see all of the spin. I'm clipping a bit there, but this is, that's fine. That's good. We can call that good. Right, and then you want to be going into the scenes. You want to set a different scene for this. You want to be setting a different scene for this because it's gonna be it's gonna be a different thingamajig. So you go into filters for the scenes, and then that's gonna be a different thing. We've already got a thing here, but it ain't doing anything because we've already got things wrong. So we're gonna be getting rid of this. This is gonna go. Look at that, so clean, so fresh. So move value. There we go. Yep, let's call that. And then we're adding move source. Blue be doop. Yep. And then another move source. We love source. There we go. I'm just gonna magically change it to these names. Okay. Yep, I got this all right. 100%. I totally didn't mess up and have to re-record this bit. No way. It actually didn't happen. The source we want is going to make sure it's this bit, because otherwise this back bit's going to spin. You don't want that. Make sure this is the bit. Start delay is going to be nothing, because we don't need that. And this is also going to be nothing. Absolutely zilch. This first one is probably the easiest one to do. No easing. Always no easing. We hate easing here. Transform, that's all okay. That's all fine. I think the next one we want to be going to is okay. See you in the morning. Next one we want to be going to is next move. Next move is move source 360. I believe. This is, I'm doing this off the cuff. I've done this like a little bit. I'm brilliant. I'm absolutely brilliant. This bit, they say to do that speed. You can do it whatever you want. This is gonna be how quickly it's spinning. Obviously source, you want that bit. Then easing. No easing. Hate easing. Absolutely hate easing. This bit here in the transform window is going to be 360. Just so we get that. That's going to be what that is. Scroll down to the bottom, and the next move is going to be the top one. Move value. You're going there. That's where it's going to go. This is the last step. We're nearly there, guys. We're nearly there. It's nearly been done. Filter. This is the one that's gonna, so the filter is gonna be reset, and then the move type value is gonna be settings, right? And from this, what you do is you press get values. You press get values, and then you get values. Don't ask me what the values do. I don't know. I'm not built for knowing that kind of thing. And then easing. No way. No way, no how. No custom duration. No, nothing else. Next move is gonna be going back to the first one we did, which I believe was reset. Is reset? I'm gonna say reset. Okay, if this works, I'm running my hands together right now. If this works, I'm gonna eat my hat because I did not check in on any of this. Hold on. Okay, ready? Three. My heart's dropping right now. 3, 2, 1. Yes! Yes! We've done it, boys! We've done it! It spins! Okay. Oh heck yeah! So this bit now, you'll know which one it is because it's the one that's lit up. So this bit changes the spin speed. You can change this to whatever you want. That's how quickly it's gonna spin. So you can do that to your heart's content. You can't move it once it's down. You can't move it. This might be the wrong time to tell you this. You can't move it once it's there. It's there. You can't do anything with it. So you know, if you wanna move it somewhere else, there's probably a way of doing it, but I don't know what it is. So yeah, you know, thank you. Check out Subval for existing. They're pretty chill, and I've come to like their content. It's good stuff. Anyway, yes. Bye bye. Have a good life. Toodle pip. Cheerio. I'm shining like I'm supposed to be.